Hey folks, this is Ashwin. I hope you're doing well, staying safe and strong. I'm in Mangalore for a quick visit, and this time around I wanted to explore Vivanta by Taj in Old Port Road, also known as Bandar in Mangalore. So I'll give you a quick room tour to get a glimpse of this stylish sanctuary. The first thing that strikes me is this chic design with shades of purple setting a trendy yet cozy vibe and a comfortable atmosphere. Very elegant decor, absolutely what I need for a short break. So I think it's a perfect blend of comfort and sophistication, definitely making my stay all the more inviting. By the way, huge thanks for the complimentary upgraded breakfast. Unfortunately, I'm rushing, so I'm missing those delightful offerings. Taking a peek at the hotel's restrooms, they are clean and nicely kept, making for a comfortable experience during the stay. Also, this recently renovated gem has a lot to offer: a swimming pool, mint that is all day dining, and more. Sadly, time short this trip, but I'll definitely swing by again for a more leisurely exploration of everything this place has to offer. Before a packed day, I decided to unwind at High Tide Bar. It's a chill spot, perfect for some downtime, sipping on a drink, soaking in the vibe, just what I needed. Well, that's a wrap on this whirlwind stay. Until the next adventure, folks, keep exploring and making memories. Take care, everyone. Thanks for watching.